your boys. It's smooth, it's cool. They were cool. Everybody wanted to be like them. They had swag. They were slick. I'm really excited about the group routine. We're doing the Brat Pack, and it's to pay homage to the original Brat Pack. Now the girls, they need to be cool, not cute. Give me a contracted over West Side Story, Jerome Robbins, knee jump. No, big high. Da-da-da. Smile!
I think this is exciting because no one is going to expect that these girls, these beautiful little girls, are going to be dressed up as men.
That's who I like.
You're a guy! Thea, sing!
Kiss the sky, oh, let's take a lease on a honeymoon suite. Baby, let's
all right, girls, looking good, looking good. You're looking like the Rat Pack a little bit. No sun, no fun, no chlorine, no swimming. Yes? Watch the cracks and stuff in the sidewalk. Remember, step on a crack, break your mother's back. So we're gonna have the girls are gonna perform one at a time. Each member of a group should be able to do that group routine choreography like a soloist. When they do it one at a time by themselves, it gives us the opportunity to see who's using the wrong arms on a turn or who's turning one more time than everybody else. Are we ready to go?
Let's spin the wheel, let's feed the slots. Let's bet it all on
Candles
what
on.
we've got. Oh, let's ignore
Come on,
all
tighten
the
up.
best advice. Let's take a chance.
I wish Ricky could teach the group rehearsal because he gives you nice critiques, not screaming at you.
Space, come on.
Baby, let's roll the dice.
Gotta get higher in the air.
If we lose, well, we won't grumble. Baby, let's roll the dice. Baby, let's roll the dice.
Paige, you're up.
I can't breathe.
Okay?
I can't breathe.
Let's go outside.
I just need water.
I've challenged Paige. Every single girl in the group had to do the routine by themselves. She should know this dance just as well as everybody else. I don't know what's going on with you, but you need to get your act together. You are 12 years old. You are way too old to be forgetting.
Paige, I think you're having like anxiety, and she gets you so nervous that you can't function. Like, this is not right over dance class.
If Abby didn't have a lot of connections to get these kids ahead, I would have left a long time ago.
We have to get out of here. We have to get out of here.
I really can't hear. I just don't like Abby.
Paige is so afraid of Abby right now. It's killing me inside. Like, I just don't know what to do.
It's okay.
Abby, are my girls in the group dance?
Kelly,
You brought in choreographers?
this is not about your children. This is about you. You need to play by my rules.
I asked for choreography that was what my kids can do.
Well,
I wanted
you know what?
them to be challenged.
Right.
Not say I wanted Ricky.
For Paige.
Okay.
I am the best thing for
Okay,
Paige.
but
Because
guess
you know
what?
She had a gorgeous costume.
Okay.
She was doing a can-can. And
Abby.
Paige would have done it. She would have went out on that stage.
And I know
and
that.
She would have looked gorgeous.
I know that. But yeah, guess what? My daughter was a wreck all freaking week. And now my kid is having attacks because she is afraid of you and afraid of what you're going to do to her. And you're allowing this with the relationship that you had with my kids and me.
Okay. Understood. I'm hearing you.
And it breaks my heart. It is horrible.
Kelly, you have driven the wedge between your children and myself.
No, Abby.
Yes.
The things you say to them has
No.
driven the wedge.
No.
And it's not me. I would never allow this to happen. It's not me.
Seeing Kelly break down in a competition like this really disturbs me. When I look at Kelly, I don't see the mom of two dancers in my company. I see my own student when she was 12 or 13 years old, crying her eyeballs out. That's when she stopped dancing. And I think Kelly could have had a great future. I just hope she doesn't do the same thing to her 2 girls.
You have to trust me. The dance that I had planned for you, you could do. You need to trust that when I put you out on that stage, it's not to fail. My job is to make every kid that leaves my studio that wants to be a professional dancer ready. Understand?
I do want to dance for Abby. I've known her my whole life. I know that she can be really mean and tough, but I love to dance and I want to get better.
Go get dressed, because you need to do this number.
We only have a few more weeks until nationals. I need to see which dancer is gonna be my best shot at winning a national title.
And next to the powerhouse stage is act number 46. Make some noise for Brat Pack.
Let's spin the wheel, let's feed the slots. Let's bet it all on what we've got. Oh, let's go wild, let's not think twice. Baby, let's roll the dice. And if we lose, well, we won't grumble. Maybe we'll stumble or take a tumble. But let's strike while the iron is hot. Shoot the moon and hit the jackpot. Let's make a pact, let's take a vow to love each other right here and now. Let's get our friends to throw some rice. Baby, let's roll the dice. Baby, let's roll the dice. Baby, let's roll the dice.
When the girls stepped out on stage, they looked fabulous. It was like we stepped back in time. Are we gonna win? I think so.
All right, here we go. Our highest elite junior small group. 3rd place, Rapture. 2nd place, Junior Prodigy. And 1st place, elite junior small group. Entry number 46, Brat Pack.
The Abby Lee Dance Company came to Vegas and hit the jackpot.
Chloe, Abby Lee Dance Company.
Hey, luck be a lady tonight. Brooke, Paige, I hope to see you in class on Monday. Kelly, nice talking to you today.
You know, I feel like after my talk with Abby today, there might be a little bit of hope.
I will see you. Enjoy yourself, girls. Please be safe. All right, try to see a show. Congrats, ladies.
Thanks, Ab.